Hello, hi. Finally. ठीक है, I am live on Google Meet as well as Insta. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. अच्छा, मैं कमेंट्स ऑफ कर दूंगी.
हाँ?
मैं म्यूट कर दूंगी बिकॉज इंस्टा लाइव भी चालू है और गूगल मीट भी चालू है.
Okay, will I mute ourselves, na?
या यू कैन डू दैट.
I just completed my 108 namaskar today. Now.
वाओ, 108 नमस्कार.
Just now.
ओके.
आज तो नारियल लेके बैठना पड़ेगा तुलना मिश्रा. सूर्य ग्रहण है.
सूर्य ग्रहण,
All
इसलिए
the
सेशन
best.
आज क्योंकि एक्लिप्स है, हम 15 मिनट जल्दी खत्म कर देंगे.
No problem, no problem. You take care of yourself, huh?
यस
Today.
यस यस.
Definitely, okay? अच्छा, इंस्टा में लाइव पे जाऊँ मैं?
या तो फिर इंस्टा लाइव पे आ जाओ.
ये बेटर है, मुझे ये कन्वीनियंट लगता है.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. चलो अभी म्यूट कर देते हैं.
श्योर 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 श्योर. चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक्स. ओके, 2 मिनट और रुकते हैं इंस्टा लाइव पे और मैं कमेंट्स ऑफ कर रही हूँ. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. गुड मॉर्निंग एंड हैप्पी इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा. संडे मॉर्निंग है तो हाँ, काफ़ी कम लोग जगेंगे. सो ठीक है, हम जल्दी शुरू करते हैं. इट्स 8:03 ऑलरेडी. विल वेट फॉर मोर 2 minutes एंड गेट स्टार्टेड बाय 8:05 एंड आई विल वाइंड अप द सेशन बाय 8:45 8:50 सिंस 9 o'clock से एक्लिप्स है. You should not actually eat anything post eclipse or drink anything post eclipse. No, during eclipse. Post eclipse you can do anything. Okay guys, settle down. अगर किसी को इंस्टा लाइव पे आना है वो इंस्टा लाइव पे भी आ सकता है. साच. ओके, चलो.
मैं आ रही हूँ बस, ठीक है?
हाँ.
यहाँ का चल रहा था तो मैं बस वो वाइंड अप करके आ रही हूँ.
ओके ठीक है, मैं म्यूट कर रही हूँ एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. ऑन योर मैट्स. आई होप आई एम ऑडिबल. So let's start with a very relaxed pose. Sit in a very relaxed pose. You can sit in Vajrasan, Sukhasan or Lotus pose. मैं वज्रासन से स्टार्ट करूंगी. Okay? So we'll be taking few breaths, relaxing ourselves, preparing ourselves for the session. It's going to be a very relaxed session. Early morning session है, ज़्यादा intense नहीं होगा. This will be very basic stretches that we'll be doing. Okay? So take your positions, roll your shoulders back and relax your shoulders. Slowly close your eyes and stay there. Breathe. Breathing, focus on your breath. Count your breaths. Breathe in and out. Out. Make sure you're sitting straight. Breathing normal. Chin should be parallel to the ground. Slowly open your eyes. So let's start with sitting position. हम लोग पहले बैठ के शुरू करेंगे and then gradually we'll stand up. We'll do few 3-4 sessions in standing position and then again we'll relax in a sitting position or we'll do some other lying down positions. So sit in Sukhasana. Sit straight, shoulders rolled back, hand on your knees. Now breathe in, look up. Go right, breathe out, look down. Go left, breathe in, look up. Let's start with neck rotations. Stretch your neck. Feel the stretch. And slowly do it. ज़्यादा fast मत जानो. You feel the stretch behind your neck. And breathe in, look up. Breathe out, down. Breathe it up. Breathe out, down. Go slow. जितना स्लो जाएंगे उतना स्ट्रेच फील होगा, जितना फास्ट यू गो उतना कुछ नहीं आएगा. So let's go slow, feel the stretch. Let's start from the other side. Look down, go right, look up and left. Breathe out, down. Breathe in right, breathe in, look up, breathe out, go down slowly and connect the dots. You feel the stretch at the start of your neck, behind and sides. Keep breathing. Make sure you're sitting straight and not slouching and your shoulders are not drooping down. You should be rolled back and you should be sitting straight. And relax. Clutch your fingers behind your head. Elbows will be facing down. Sides में नहीं होंगे, वो नीचे जाएंगे. And put your entire weight on your head and look down. पूरा weight drop कर दो. Slowly look down and feel the stretch behind your neck. Let's go. Breathe out, look down and feel the stretch almost going to the middle of your back. Look down and slowly look down. Leave your hands completely on your forehead, on your head. Elbows will be down. Yes, look down. Now breathe in, slowly look towards your right, stretch, and towards your left. Very slowly and gently. Neck here, let's be very patient with the neck. Keep breathing. Keep your hands relaxed, elbows down. Sit straight. Left. Breathe in, look towards your right and hold. Stretch your neck. And towards your left, slowly. Stretch. Now look at the center. Breathe in, slowly release your neck and look up. Elbows facing outwards, chest out. Elbows को पीछे push करो जितना कर सकते हो and relax your shoulders down. Relax your shoulders down. Clutch मत करना, shoulders को ऊपर मत खींचना. Relax down and elbows behind. Breathe in, look up. Open your chest. Squeeze your back. Elbows almost pushing behind and look up. And center, release. Nice. तो ये पूरा shoulder, neck सब जगह से stress release करेगा जो सुबह सुबह एकदम stiff हो जाते हैं. So we are done with our shoulder rotation. We'll start with our hand rotations. Okay? So hands rolled back, straight push as if you're pushing a ball. Push and stay there. Now don't squeeze your shoulders up like this. Relax. The moment you relax your shoulders, you'll feel on your forearms. पूरा forearms पे आएगा. Slowly relax. Triceps पे आएगा. So don't squeeze and relax. Relax your shoulders. Push your chest out. Hands behind and push the wall from both the sides. Stay there. Keep breathing. 1. 5 breaths. 2. Your fingers will be facing towards the ceiling. Up. 3. Push. 4. And 5. Stay there. Palms facing up. Breathe in, hand up. And stay there. Keep breathing. 1. Now, don't look down or squeeze your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. It's okay अगर elbows straight नहीं हो रहे तो. You can keep it soft. Neck relax, shoulders relax. Stay there. 3. Now breathe in. Breathe out. Left hand down on the floor. Right hand straight. Shoulders relaxed. Right hand straight. Breathe in. Go towards the left side and stretch your sides. Stretch as much as possible. Don't lean on your left side. Relax your left hand. Just take support. Chest down. Hand straight. Relax your right shoulders. Breathe in, go down. Keep breathing. 1. Deep breaths. You can look towards your hand or you can look straight. Breathe in, come up. Left hand up. Stay there. Right hand down. Go slow. It's morning yoga. Left hand straight. And go right side. Remember, don't put weight on your right hand. Relax your right hand. Relax your elbows. Chest down. Elbows straight. Left hand. And look towards your fingers all straight. Try to keep your hands straight. Left hand, yes. And breathing, come up. Left hand down. Clutch your fingers from behind. Okay. Shoulders rolled back, chest out. Now. Okay. Shoulders rolled back, chest out. Don't squeeze, your neck should be free. And push your hand behind. Squeeze your shoulders, push your hand behind. Don't lean forward, it's okay. Just push your hand behind and stay there. 1. Push as much as possible, keeping your shoulders relaxed, chest out, squeeze your back. And relax. Okay? Let's go for Gomukhasana. So basically we are stretching our chest, back, hands all together. It's heart opening, stress releasing. Now, right leg, knee forward, left knee on top of your right knee. So this is how you are supposed to do. जिसका भी पाँव साइड में जा सकता है अपने हिप्स के, very good, do that. Squeeze, sit straight. Now, your left knee is up. Take your right hand behind. You can take support of your left hand. Push your elbows behind and in. Stay there, stretch. Left hand, roll it behind and try to catch it. Try to catch your fingers. Chest up and sit straight. Now, if you're not able to do this, you can take help of a yoga belt or napkin or dupatta, whatever is available to you. Or you can just not clutch your fingers and stay in this position. 3. So chest out. 4. And 5. Release. Left hand up. Down. Stretch. Right hand. So the trick is twist. Twist. Don't go directly. Just twist your shoulders from behind. Take a full turn and hold. 2. 3. And relax. Let's sit in a butterfly pose. Also, whoever is not able to sit straight and is slouching like that, you can either take a yoga block, you can take a pillow, bolster, anything which is available to you. You can sit on it and then keep your hips little lifted from the ground. And it will be easier for you to sit straight. Okay? Like this. Now sit in butterfly pose. Flap, interlock your fingers, hold your toes, sit straight, shoulders roll back and flap for at least 20 counts. Release your stiffness from your hips, from your pelvic. Flap as hard as possible. Slowly catch the pace. Yes. Once you're done with your 20 counts, we'll try to push your knees on the floor. Push it. The main trick is to push down and not up. ऊपर करने से वो नीचे push करने में help करेगा. Right? So now sit straight. Hold. Chest out. Shoulders roll back. Breathe in. Breathe out, go halfway, not completely down. We have to focus on our chest, our back. The moment you roll your shoulders back and chest forward, your back is straight. So slowly, step by step, we go down, sit. Breathe in, shoulders roll back, chest out and down. Stay there. Breathe in, shoulders roll back, breathe out, go down. Keeping your back straight, chest out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, whoever can go forward and lean down can do that. If you are not able to do it, you can keep your hands on the floor, or this is okay. You can stay here, however, and whatever is comfortable for you. We'll stay here for 5 to 10 counts. 3. You make slight movements from left to right. Release that stress from your back. And breathe in, come up slowly, chest out. Don't roll your back, chest forward. Breathe in, slowly come up. Sit in Sukhasana. Right hand on your left side, left hand behind and look behind. Twist your back. You can keep this hand straight. Push and look behind. Release, other side, left hand on your right side, the right hand behind and look behind. And breathe in, come. So we're done with our seated warm-ups and relaxations. Let's get on our knees. Okay, I hope I am visible to everyone. Your palms, on your palms and on your knees, make it a point your shoulder is in line with your wrist. Okay, and your chest is almost at the center of your hands. So now, not like this, shoulders roll back, back neutral. Breathe in, head up. So I am dividing this into 3 to 4 parts so you understand cat cow kaise karte hain. Okay, so you'll be able to understand how to go from this to this. Okay, so now for 2 counts we'll go slow. Breathe in, head up, chest down and pelvic up. Breathe in, look up. Now slowly head down, chest up, stomach in and pelvic in. Again, pelvic out, stomach out, chest out, breathe in up. out, head down, chest in, stomach in, pelvic in. And now connect the dots, pelvic out, stomach out, chest out, breathe in out. Breathe out, head down, chest in, stomach in, pelvic in. Let's get faster. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, look up and hold. And breathe out, look down and hold. Chest completely in, stomach in, pelvic in, and feel the stretch on your back. And relax, neutral. From here, we'll be going to downward facing dog, that is on your toes. Breathe in and lift your toes up, your knees up, and slowly stretch behind. Stretch behind. Now, बहुतों से ये नहीं होगा, so you can lift your toes up, your heels up, and bend your knees. It's okay. Whoever are able to do it, very good. You can stay there and push your shoulders behind. Look down. This will become easier for you. And stretch, keeping the back straight. The back should be straight. Okay. Look behind. Look down towards your navel and stretch. Whoever are able to do it, keep your heels down, knees straight, and look towards your navel. Your pelvic tailbone should be facing up. Feel the stretch. Hold. You can rock from side to side. Bend one knee, bend other side. On the spot walk. Look down. Stretch your back. Stretch your hamstrings. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. And come forward, knees down. You can go for child pose or wide leg child pose. Your knees should be wide. Stomach will fit between your knees. Breathe in and breathe out. Go down and relax. Yes. Look down. Breathe in, come up. I will be taking 2 minutes break. Okay. Turn on comments. I hope everybody is able to see me on Instagram. Okay. Okay. So let's go forward. Perfect. Okay, thank you. I'll be switching off the comments again. Guys, I'll be taking only 15 minutes more. Okay. So let's get on your mats again. We'll be doing 2-3 more standing positions and then we'll be relaxing. Legs wider than your hips. Okay, shoulders roll back, wider than your shoulders as well. And your hips will go straight. Now your legs should be parallel to each other, toes pointing forward. Okay? Breathe in, shoulders roll back. You can keep your hand on your waist. Elbows behind. Breathe in And back straight, breathe out, go down. You can stop over here, you can stop over here, you can stop over here. But your back should be straight, chest out, shoulders back, elbows back. Breathe in and breathe out, go down. Either you can keep your hand down. Now, those who are not able to keep your hand down can either take a block, or if you have a bottle beside you, take a bottle, help of a bottle, and like this, okay? Breathe in, chest up, breathe out, then go down, and keeping your back straight, breathe out, look down, keeping your knees straight. If you're not able to keep your knees straight, bend a little bit, it's okay, a little bit. And breathe out, look down. You can hold your elbows like this. Keep your body loose, down, and rock from side to side, right and left. Give a gentle massage to your body, your spine. And breathe in, come. Can you feel that? Release your back, your hamstrings, they're relaxed. Now, legs wide. Open. Your left leg, your left toe will be facing forward. Your right leg will go out. Breathe in, hand up. Palms facing down. Shoulders relaxed. Look towards your right side. Breathe in. And breathe out. Go towards your right ankle. Look down. If you're not able to touch your ankle or the floor, you can come up towards your calf or a little up below your knee. It's okay, but not on your knees. Below your knees. Chest out, hip forward, hand. Look at your hands, left hand, and breathe. 1. You feel the stretch on your sides. 2. And breathe out, look down. Breathe in, come up. Hands down. Right leg in, left leg out. Breathe in, hand up. Palms facing down. Look towards the left side. Breathe in and breathe out. Go down. Look towards your right hand. Your chest should be forward. Your hips should be forward. It should be in one line. Your shoulders, your chest, your hips, and your hands will be in one line. Look up. 3. 4. And 5. Breathe out, look down, and breathe in, come up. Hands down. Left leg in, right leg out. Legs, you can keep your legs more wide. We are going for Veerbhadrasana, so legs will be more wider. Or you can go for a smaller Veerbhadrasana than a deeper one. Okay. Left leg in, right out. Breathe in, hand up, palms facing down, shoulders relaxed. Look towards your right and breathe in, go down. Take a lunge, side lunge. Your knees will be in line with your ankle. It should not go out. Okay? Your hips should not go out. It should be in one line. Your chest, your hips, and your knee will be in one line. Your hands will be straight. Look towards your right and keep breathing. 3. You can go for a deeper stretch, however you're comfortable. 4 and 5. Your left hand On your thighs or calves, right hand, right palms facing towards the ceiling. And let's go for reverse Virabhadrasana. Hand up, open your chest, stretch your sides, lean down and breathe in up. And breathe out, come up, relax, hands down, right leg in, left leg out, breathe in, hand up, palms facing down, look towards your left, breathe in and breathe out, take the side lunge, your knee in line with your ankle, your your right foot down and straight, look towards left, your chest will be straight and you will be looking towards your left. 3, take deeper breaths. 4 and 5, right hand on your thighs or your ankle, left hand facing up and stretch. 2, deep breathe in. And breathe in, come up. Relax. Okay? From here, this is a little tricky one. You'll be taking side lunge and settling down. Okay? So let's go on your right side. Go down. You can keep your hands down, hips behind and go towards right. Yes, right, left ankle up, left toes up facing the ceiling. Sit straight as much as possible. Your right elbow will be pushing your right knee outside. Your hips will be down. It's okay. If you're not able to do it, keep your hands down. You can stay here. It's okay. Okay? Now, let's stay over here. You'll feel more stretch, or you can say pull on your right side. Stretch down, hips down, stay here, elbows out. And if you can sit in this position, well and good. Sit straight, hips down and stretch. You can flex your left toes towards you, flex it and sit straight. If you're not able to do it, you can keep your hand down, it's okay. Not a problem. Relax your hips and stay here. Now hands at the center. Breathe in, come up. And go walk your hand towards the left side and go towards your left side. Stretch your hips, stretch your hamstrings. Sit down, keeping your back straight. Elbows towards your left knees and push your knees out. Namaste. Flex your right toe towards you. Stretch your hamstrings. Stretch your ankles. Keep breathing. And breathe in, come up. Legs will be a little narrow. And sit in Malasana. Let's sit down, hips down. Slowly sit down, keeping your elbows inside, in the side part of your knees, and push your knees out. Sit straight, chest up. Now many of you are not able to sit in this position, I'm very sure. You can take a pillow, which is okay. Take a pillow, take a block, sit on the block, keeping your hips, or you can take support of the wall. So your back will be straight on the wall, you'll have the support of the wall. You can either take a pillow and sit or block and sit on top of it, keeping your legs wide. Stretch your legs out and chest out. Namaste. Okay? Let's sit in this position because we are almost at the end of our session. So we'll be relaxing in this. This is almost my relaxing pose. I usually relax in this position or downward dog. So let's rock from side to side. Yes. Stay there. You can either close your eyes and stay still, take deeper breaths, or you can rock from side to side however you're comfortable, but you'll be in this position for a minute or two. Get comfortable. Feel the stretch. This is one position, this is one asana that you are supposed to do every day without fail. No matter what, do this asana every day. Take deeper breaths, stretch your knees behind, push your elbows and your knees behind, chest up, keeping your back straight. I'll show you my side profile. You'll understand how your back is supposed to be. Your hips are supposed to be down and your back is supposed to be straight. So with every exhalation, you can either push your hips more inside and keep your back straight. Okay? And relax. You can take a seat. Yes. So we are almost at the end of our session. Let's end our session with an Omkar and then we'll go for a Shavasana. Pick any meditative posture. I'll sit in Sukhasana. This was a nice, small, short morning session. So now we have eclipse from 9 a.m. till 3:15. And I'll be fasting in that during that. Relax. Keep your hands on your knees. Relax your elbows, shoulders rolled back and chest out, back straight. Chin parallel to the ground. And slowly close your eyes. Normal breathing. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. last time. Keep your eyes closed. You can keep your eyes closed and take Shavasana. Lie down on your back, relax completely. And since I'm done, I'll be winding up. I'll be rubbing my palms. Rub your palms. Keep it on your eyes. Stay there. Open your eyes in that cup and slowly release. I would suggest take Shavasana and relax for at least 5 minutes more. And those who are done, thank you for coming. It was a nice session. And happy International Day of Yoga. Yes. Happy International Day of Yoga. And thanks for joining in. I am glad and I am happy this was a nice, successful session. Okay, bye guys. Okay, before I go, let me tell you one thing. Actually, from 9 to 3:15 we have eclipse, and those who are into yoga, I really feel the need to say this. I'll be turning on the comments that you should actually do more pranayams. You should do mantras. You should chant mantras today. Just a second. Okay, so you should be chanting mantras today. You can go for omkars, you can go for Gayatri mantras. You can, count those beads 108 or 1080 times. This is a really nice time to chant, but not do asanas or intense ones, but go for pranayams. And you can go for omkars, you can go for Gayatri mantra, and especially do it after after 11:30, because I think it will be full eclipse by 12 or 12:30. So do 1 hour or 45 minute session post 11:30. I don't know, you'll have to check kab hai Purna eclipse. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for coming.